What's up, YouTube? Welcome back to another video. 7 o'clock in the morning. Got the bike going, boy, going. I'm not trying to be a complete douche and fucking rev this thing out while everybody's still trying to sleep, but that doesn't mean we're not going to get on it a little bit. But man, it's been about 7 days, maybe a little bit longer, since I've been on old girl here. I missed her. She was kind of mad at me, but it was fucking raining. What do you want me to do? Welcome to Florida. Summertime's rolling in, so those fucking showers randomly coming and going are about to start happening. So unfortunately, we're gonna have to keep an eye on the weather more days than not, because that shit will come and you won't even know it hit you. But anyway, beach ride, that's where we're going. Sanibel this time. I haven't been to Sanibel yet on the bike. Oh, that place got devastated during Hurricane Ian. It's been almost 2 years, if not more, since it hit, and they are still working out there getting the causeway fixed, which is, I'll point out when we get there, but it's kind of crazy. But it looks good. I'm excited for it to be open again. That's one of my favorite fishing spots when I don't feel like going out on the boat. But the best part about early mornings, especially on weekends, light traffic. You can't tell me I'm wrong, boys. You can't tell me I'm wrong. Imagine if there was like one day out of the month where it was only motorcycles on the road. Like, God, that would be sick. Could you imagine the amount of dumb shit we would get ourselves into, though? I think it would last one day. But damn, she feel good this morning. Damn, it looks like a beautiful morning out for the water, too. God damn. That's where I should be right now. What am I doing? Oh, that's right. I'm making a motorcycle video. Duh. Can't be complaining. Hell yeah, brother. Oh yeah, I got the Insta 360 strapped to the back this time, because it being here does really nothing. I mean, I guess you could look at my sexy ass helmet, but nah. I really do like the rear view looking, like a third person type of view. So I love these empty roads though, man. It's beautiful. It's fucking beautiful. It just turns into a playground for me. These are the mornings I would want my sport bike or super moto. Hear me out. I'll always be talking about sport bikes on this channel and how I want to get another one so I can have, you know, a big diversity between the two bikes I got. I got a Harley, you know, soft tail, and then I'll have a fucking sport bike, R1, ZX10. But boys, give me some input on this supermoto, like a Husqvarna 701 or the KTM 690. And just think, mornings like this, take the bitch off-roading, you know, just go hit some fields or whatever the fuck you want to hit. Pop some wheelies, do some fucking burnout. I mean, just all of it. I have been practicing wheelies on this fucking thing, but listen. There's this part in the primary. It's this metal part, and it kind of just scared me because I was watching videos on the weak links in the M8 platform, and this metal bar loves to explode. Not bar, but it's like, I don't know what it is. I forgot what the fuck it is. But apparently they love to just shatter, and they cause a lot of problems. There are upgrades to it, but they're $700. So until I throw one of those in, I'm done dropping this clutch like that. So So we will just have to see. God damn, an escort and everything? There's not even any traffic. I appreciate that, big guy. We'll get this Insta360 recording, shall we? I think we shall. It should only take 2 seconds. Alright, we'll just try that, shall we? Oh boy. Okay. Alright, back on the road. Little pit stop, but the Sanibel Causeway. This is one of those bridges you just stand up on. You know what I mean? Just one of them things. No real reason to it. You just do it. Anyway, as you can see, all this shit didn't exist after the hurricane. They're putting it back, but, and I'm talking even the sand. Crazy. But it's coming back, boys. They've done well, and I'm pretty sure they bulletproof these new little bridges, because those were completely destroyed as well. Osprey, look right at me. It's coming. I haven't been down to that lighthouse in forever. We should try. We should try, but first I gotta stop and get a photo at this abandoned building that I've been wanting to go take photos at for a long ass time for the bike. Just haven't had the time to get down here yet. And this is one of those places you either come early in the morning or you don't come at all, because it will get busy. Just like that, we're good. Sweet. Let's get some photos real quick, boys. Be right back. All right, let's get back to it. Cop some nice pictures for the gram. It is fucking empty here. That's good. I like to hear that. I like to see that. Oh, there's the lighthouse. No photo opportunity though. It's all covered by trees. Go ahead and find some concrete. Yeah. Yeah. There we go. What's this way? I don't know. We can find out though. A little exploring. like might be more parking. Lighthouse Beach Park. I've never been to this side. What haven't I done? Or seen or parked at? I mean, Jesus, dude. Oh, I thought he was waving to me. Awkward as fuck. Okay. But I just want to say this before it dies. Thank you for checking out this video. Like, subscribe, and comment, please. But we're gonna keep this video going. I just wanted to say that before this thing fucking died on me. It is not something I feel like changing right now. It is fucking muggy. And I'll tell you right now, the worst part about this is these gloves. I need to get new gloves. If y'all could give me a recommendation on gloves that, for one, work with the touchscreen. But the problem is, when I take these off, the inner lining pulls out with my, it pulls out. Fuck, this is sharper than I thought. And then like one or two of the fingers, it's like all bundled up, and it just pisses me the fuck off. So I'm just ready to change them, but just give me a recommendation. I don't care, you know, if they're sporty looking or not, just which ones do you guys use? But I really want some that work with a phone. Reason being is because I want to, whenever there's, you know, it's open roads like this morning, I want to be able to take my phone off, press record, and kind of just do a panorama or something like that. All right, well, I'm not going this slow. Respectfully. I set the 360 cam up higher. You'll probably see the footage in this video, but I set it higher so maybe you can see over the bridge better. Who knows, maybe someone's hooking up on something big up there. Or down there. Looking at 50 miles an hour, still looking pretty solid. About 60. Oh yeah, dude. Oh yeah, she's fucking solid up there now. Alright, y'all, I'm not going to do anything else exciting except grab some coffee, and y'all seen me do that enough. So thanks again for checking out this video. Give me a like, subscribe, and I'll see you on the next one.